Balrama, who is also known as Balabhadra, is the eldest brother of Sri Krishna and husband of Revati. He was the symbol of strength and an obedient son, an ideal brother and a husband, an ideal man and a god. He is also known as Neelavastra, as he is said to have a fair complexion and clad in dark blue vests. He is also regarded as the protector from desires, the divinity of strength or the strength of the divine, symbolizing duty, honesty, and simplicity. So, why didn't Balrama take part in the Kurukshetra war? Well, let's find out. Balrama had a prominent role in the Jagannatha tradition as one of the triad deities. He is also known as Baladeva, Balabhadra, Haladhara, Halayuddha, and Sankarshana. From his strong association with farming and farmers, he was the deity who used farm equipment as weapons when needed. Balrama is sometimes described as incarnation of Sheshanaga, the serpent associated with Lord Vishnu. Some traditions regard him as one of the 10 principal incarnations of Vishnu himself. Balrama was the son of Vasudeva, the king of the Vrishnis and the Yadavas. Vasudeva's children included Krishna, Balrama, and Subhadra. Vasudeva was the son of the Yadava king Shursena. Kamsa was Vasudeva's brother-in-law, and he was intent upon killing the children of his sister Devaki and her husband Vasudeva because of a prediction that he would die at the hands of her eighth child. Evil Kansa had already killed the first 6 children of Devaki as soon as they were born. Vishnu intervened, and when Balrama, the 7th child, was conceived, his embryo was moved from Devaki's womb into the womb of Rohini. Rohini was the first consort of Vasudeva and the mother of the Hindu god Balrama and Subhadra. She played a prominent role in the nurturing of Krishna. At this time, Lord Vishnu instructed Yogamaya, his internal potency, to transfer the unborn child from the womb of Devaki to that of Rohini, one of the other wives of Vasudeva. In this way, Balrama was born in Gokul under the protection of Nanda Maharaj. Balrama grew up with his younger brother Krishna with foster parents in the household of the head of the cowherds, Nanda, and his wife Yashoda. Nanda requested the presence of sage Gargamuni, the high priest, to name the newborn Krishna and Balrama. When the priest arrived, Nanda received him well and requested the naming ceremony. Gargamuni then reminded Nanda that Kansa was looking for the son of Devaki, and if he performed the ceremony in opulence, it would come to his attention. So Nanda therefore asked Garga to perform the ceremony in secrecy, and Garga did so. Balrama, the son of Rohini, increases the transcendental bliss of others. As he grew up, and he attracts the Yada clan to follow his instructions, and therefore his name was Shankarshana. Balrama taught both Duryodhana of the Kauravas and Bhima of the Pandavas the art of fighting with a mace. They were proficient in the Gadayudh. When war broke down between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, Balrama cared for both sides, and so he remained neutral. He went for a pilgrimage with his nephew Pradyuman and other Yadavas during the war and returned on the last day to watch the fight between his disciples. Balrama was the same being who lifted the entire city with a hala and threatened to throw the Yamuna river out of the universe. He also defeated Shivaganas and gifted bow and divine armor to Abhimanyu, who mopped the floor with the entire Kaurava Sena. Literally, except Krishna and Shiva, no one is capable of defeating him. So he decided not to take part in the Kurukshetra war, as that would mean his anger and rage would be out of control and he might end up killing a lot more people on either sides. Balrama was also the nephew of Kunti and the cousins of the Pandavas. His sister Subhadra was married to Arjuna. He was the guru of Duryodhana and Bhima. In fact, it was stated that Duryodhana was his favorite pupil. As per Harivamsha, Duryodhana's daughter Lakshmana was married to Krishna's son Samba. Overall, Balrama tried to play a neutral card from beginning by portraying himself as a person treating both sides equally. And this was the strongest reason why he could not partake in the Kurukshetra war. Balrama also suggested Yudhishthira and said that Krishna and Yudhishthira should think about the war again. But Krishna didn't listen and joined the Pandavas due to his own love towards Arjuna. When Bhima defeated Duryodhana by striking him in the thigh with his mace, Balrama threatened to kill Bhima as he was present on the last day of the war. This was prevented when Krishna reminded Balrama of the vow of Bhima to kill Duryodhana by crushing the thigh he had exposed to Bhima's wife Draupadi. In the Bhagavata Purana, it is described that after Balrama took part in the battle, causing the destruction of the remainder of the Yadav dynasty and witnessing the disappearance of Krishna, he sat down in a meditative state and departed from this world. Some scriptures describe a great white snake that left the mouth of Balrama in reference to his identity as Anantasesha, a form of Sri Hari Vishnu. The place where he departed is situated near the Somnath temple in Gujarat. The local people of Veraval believe about the cave near the temple that the white snake who came out of Balrama's mouth got into, and from that cave it went back to the Patal Lok.